Okay, so this is home for tonight. Gonna go ahead and get everything set up. Behind us is a nice view of the lake. They've got it pulled down to winter pool right now, so it's pretty low. So you can see quite a ways on out. I'll show you guys here real quick. You can see how low it is. They've got it pulled down pretty good. And I think they're still pulling it down just a little bit. It won't be much more than what it is right now, I don't think. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. Stick around, and I'll check back in with you guys shortly. Peace. So tonight I'm going to be using my wood pellet portable fire pit. I didn't bring any firewood with me, and the wood around here is a little wet. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting set up. I'll check back in with you guys in a bit when I start the fire up, and I'll see you guys soon. So got the fire pit going finally. The pellets are starting to pick up. It'll get a little bit bigger here as we go along. I'm gonna sit here and chill out. It is a little after 4 right now. The temperature is not supposed to be too terribly bad tonight. It's supposed to be around 39, 40 degrees, something like that. Don't have a heater, and I still haven't put my Reflectix insulation in my softopper. So I think it'll be okay though. I've got my big sleeping bag with me. That thing's rated to like 40 below, so I think I'll be fine. I've got some pajama pants with me that'll keep me nice and warm, so shouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna sit here and chill out, let this thing start building up more. As you can see, it's already getting a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna drink a beer and relax by the fire for a little while. I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. Peace. Okay, well, the time has come. Got the fire going pretty good. I'm gonna try to make the pancakes. We'll see how it goes. If it's a complete failure, it's cool. I've got other stuff that I can eat. So anyway, sit back, enjoy the show. Peace. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use to make the pancakes. It's shake and pour. This makes a lot of pancakes, but we'll wing it and see what we need to do. So we need to add 1.5 cups of water. Well, that's pretty easy. All right, we have the water. So we're gonna take the 1.5 cups of water, put it in here. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it everywhere. Ooh, look at me. Holy cow. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. Anyway, we put the lid back on, and we turn the bottle upside down and shake container. Okay. And shake hard for 30 seconds. Alright, that's been about 30 seconds. Oh, that was kind of satisfying. How are we looking? Looks pretty good. Cool. Alright, I'll meet you guys over at the griddle. Okay, well, here we are. Let's make some pancakes. All right. the lid back on there. Set that there. Now I'm gonna go get my headlamp so I can see a little better. I don't know if my spatula is big enough. These might actually be really good. It's my first time making the pancakes on this griddle. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, snap! Uh-oh, that one's a little burned. Not too bad. Turn down just a little bit the fire. I've got a ham steak that I'm going to throw on the griddle and cook that up and have that with my pancakes. And I'm going to go get that right now. I'll be right back. Okay, well, hopefully I didn't burn them. Nope. 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 And nope. Awesome sauce. Alright, cool. Let's get those onto the plate. I don't need 4 pancakes. Almost let my fire go out and I wasn't paying any attention to it, so I've had to put some more pellets on there. So let's add a little maple syrup. Not too much, not too little. Oh yeah. That looks fantastic, y'all. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, yep, and there went my fire. You can see the smoke. Probably. Here goes everything. I think that one's a little overdone. Not terrible, not great, but I think I might have overcooked them a little bit. But yeah, they're not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, pancake mix in a bottle with water, shaking it up. I didn't expect them to be, you know, great, but they're not terrible. They're pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and hammer this down. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching. All right, well, so dinner was pretty good. Not the greatest pancakes, but not the worst. I'll eat them again. Definitely in the morning with ham. So I'm gonna sit here, enjoy the fire, crack open another beer, and get a movie going. I'm gonna be watching a movie that I haven't seen in quite some time. It's I think it came out in 2001 or something like that. It's a good movie. It's called Evolution, and it's been a good hot minute since I've watched that one. So I'm gonna crank that up and chill out and enjoy the rest of the evening. I'll check back in with you guys when I'm in the back of the truck. Peace. Okay, well, that's got that all shut up. I'm going to get changed, and I will be back in just a bit. Alright guys, I'm all tucked away here in the truck. I've got the iPad hanging up. Probably going to watch a little something to go to sleep too. But other than that, I'm just going to sit here and chill out until I do fall asleep. But thanks for following along. I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, that was bright. Oh, it's chilly in here this morning. Morning, everybody. Oh, what time is it? 7 o'clock. Awesome. It's time to get up, get some coffee, get dressed, and go fishing. It's chilly. It's pretty out though. It's foggy. Alright, let's make some coffee. Oh, she's boiling good now. Oh, hands are cold. Alright, I think we're good there. That off. Give it a stir. And now we wait. Just a few minutes. Not a really long time. While we're waiting on that, I'm gonna get cleaned up a little bit and I'll check back in with you guys when it's done. Okay. I kind of have a feeling that my coffee's gonna be just a little strong. But that's okay. I'll deal with that. I'd rather have it too strong than not strong enough. So I think it's been long enough. Let's do the pressy press. Alright, let's see what we got. It's the wrong way. So, got my coffee. Gonna stop by the tackle shop, pick up some live bait. Plan on going crappie fishing this morning. Gonna do some bass fishing as well, but I kind of want to do some crappie fishing. But I got a few more things to pick up around here. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. I want to thank you guys for watching. Join me next time as we wade through this adventure of life right here on Wade's Outdoor Adventures. Peace, y'all.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.